Hi, guys, and welcome to this screencast of how to create a PowerPoint presentation or Google slide presentation for our musical theater legends. This is Miss Ellis, and I'm looking forward to exploring this with you. Okay, we're going to get right into PowerPoint first. All right, so since we have the Microsoft package in our school computers for email, in your Outlook, there are calendars and lots of different things, including this symbol with the P on it for PowerPoint. You guys will immediately select this Create New box, but I have created one that we're going to take a look at today for our PowerPoint section. What I want to look at is how to add a new slide, and that is right there. Just put your cursor over it and it will highlight it. And also layout. I have selected this theme because I know you guys are going to be adding pictures and videos, and I thought this would be kind of a cool, easy way for you to add pictures and videos in the bigger slots, and then in this section you can create your own information. You can type in your own information there. Wanted to note really quickly, you can change things like color and font. Like I can make that red, which I think is cool at first, and then decide, well, it was cool until I couldn't see it. So I've got to change it back to white, which pops out. Okay, and you can see all of these things here. I want to point out the insert button where you can also add a new slide from here. You can reuse slides, so it has the same information that you want to add another picture maybe, or some more information too, and that way you don't have to reinvent the wheel and do a whole new slide with the same information. You can insert pictures. This is where you go to insert the pictures that you have found of your legend and their work. You can insert shapes onto the slide in order to highlight certain things, like that arrow right there, which automatically puts it in a theme color, but you can change it. I'm going to hit the backspace and make that disappear. All right, I wanted to show you how to watch so you could double check your work, and also when you present in front of the class. We will go to slideshow and show from the beginning, and there it will be full screen. Okay, I want to show you this little menu in the bottom left corner. This is your escape button. Kind of shows like a projector screen. That tells you how to get out of the slideshow presentation. But before we do that, I want to show you this button right here where you can write on the slide during your presentation, as well as have a laser pointer where you can highlight instead of pointing to a big projection screen using this pointer. Like, look at that button. Isn't it cute? To get rid of the laser pointer, you just click it again and it goes away. And then escape, and we are back at the edit page. You guys are so computer savvy. I think that is more than enough to get you rolling. When it comes time to send it in, turn it in on Canvas, you can save it to your computer and then send it from there. You can share. This is a great way to share the link with your group mates when you're not in class, so that if you have divided it up who's making what slides, then you can send it and the next person can add their slides, and so on until it's finished and ready to save and upload to your Canvas assignment. Okay, we're going to move out of PowerPoint and into Google Slides. We all know about Google and these little Google app squares up here. We're going to scroll down and find Slides. And just like PowerPoint, you're going to start with a blank presentation, but I have started one here. For this screencast, how to use Google Slides. I want to show you that automatically it just gives you boxes. You can select from different themes. There is the theme button. Right now it's just on a blank. It gives you 2 boxes inside. You can select this theme, which is the same but gives you different colors. There's fancier themes that have different shapes and designs, but it still works. You can still change what you say in your legend. Oop, legend. Oh my goodness. Legend. Now that is off center, so I'm going to highlight it and go to my normal text typing buttons and center that. Now I like that. Let's go with that one. All right, so we're going to go up here on the left where my cursor is and highlight that plus sign, which is new slide. And now we have a new slide. Okay, let's say for our group, we chose the fabulous Sutton Foster, the brilliant musical theater actress. And I know that I have saved an image that I want to add in my presentation. So I go up to this insert image, I click it and upload from my computer, which I happen to have saved on my desktop. You can also go into your photos and go online to find pictures, and there it is. Notice that you can drag the squares and move her wherever you want inside this box of the slide. You also can add text, which I'm going to do by saying this is a picture from the Broadway musical Anything Goes, and I'm going to italicize it like you're supposed to. Very good. Okay, so now I have my second slide, and I know I want to add a video of Sutton Foster from that same show, Anything Goes. So I'm going to put her name up here again. You can put whatever you want. I'm just doing that. For this, we're going to go to Insert, and we've got this lovely drop-down menu where we can add images from there as well. And more text boxes, and looky, there's video. And I happen to know there's lots of videos of Sutton Foster on YouTube. And specifically the one where she performed the song from Anything Goes on the Tony Awards. And there it is. And then I hit select, and she appears right in the slide right where I want her. I can add text there if I want to. I don't have to. And okay, so now it's time to double check my work. So I am going to come up here top right and hit slideshow. Looky there, that already took us. Notice down here in Google Slides, it gives you the slide numbers. And so you can just start from the beginning, hit the enter button, and there's our picture. And then let's double check and make sure the video link worked. It sure did. Very good. So we are going to exit the slideshow. And much like PowerPoint, we can share with our group mates. We can download in order to send to Canvas later once we have finished.